Event listeners in JavaScript. Event listeners are a fundamental part of JavaScript that allow you to make your web pages interactive. They enable you to execute code in response to specific events that occur on HTML elements. Here's a breakdown of key facts about event listeners. What is an event listener? An event listener is a function in JavaScript that waits for a specific event to occur on an HTML element. When the event happens, the listener function is executed, triggering a predefined action or behavior. How do they work? Event listeners are attached to HTML elements using the addEventListener method. The addEventListener method takes 3 arguments. The event type, e.g., click, mouse over, key down. The listener function, the code to be executed when the event occurs. An optional options object for advanced configurations. Benefits of using event listeners. Multiple event handlers. You can attach multiple event listeners to the same element for the same event, allowing you to execute different functions in response to a single event. Flexibility. Event listeners can be used with a wide range of events, including mouse events, keyboard events, form events, and more. Clean code. They promote cleaner and more organized code compared to inline event handlers, e.g., less than button onClick equals, my function, greater than. Control over event propagation. Event listeners provide control over how events propagate through the DOM, document object model, allowing you to handle events in the capturing or bubbling phase. Commonly used events. Click occurs when an element is clicked. Mouse over occurs when the mouse pointer moves over an element. Mouse out occurs when the mouse pointer moves out of an element. Key down occurs when a key is pressed down. Key up occurs when a key is released. Submit occurs when a form is submitted. Example: key considerations. Event propagation. Understanding event bubbling and capturing is crucial for handling events effectively, especially in complex web page structures. Performance. While event listeners are generally efficient, excessive use or poorly written listener functions can impact performance. Removing event listeners. Use the Remove Event Listener method to detach event listeners when they are no longer needed to prevent memory leaks. Event listeners are a powerful tool in JavaScript for creating dynamic and interactive web experiences. By understanding how they work and using them effectively, you can enhance the user experience and make your web pages more engaging.